Hello, everybody.
Hello, teacher.
All right, how are you all doing today?
I'm good.
Is everybody good?
Yes.
Wow, that's awesome. Okay, everybody, we're going to have a class discussion again today about a topic which I wrote up on the blackboard. What is that?
School subjects.
We're going to talk about school subjects. These are the classes and the things which you are studying and learning in your school. Okay? So, yeah. Let me get a quick show of hands. Just tell me if some classes that you take in school.
I study math.
Okay, you study math. Who else? You can put your hands up. Amy.
I study Korean.
Korean. Anyone else? Wendy.
I study music.
Music. Anyone else? Elliot.
I study art.
Art. Okay. Who else? Angela. What's a class that you study?
I study history.
History. Regina, can you say one?
I study English.
English. You study English. Dylan, can you say one?
I study art.
Okay. Art. And Eric, how about you?
I study science.
Okay, science. These are all different classes that we take, and some ones that, right, there are others that we didn't say, but you can keep any of those in mind too, okay? What I want to find out, what do we find easy to study, and what do we find hard? So very quick, on your papers, I want you to write, identify the easiest class, something you find easy, and one that you find very hard, your hardest class. Okay? And each one, I want you to tell me why. Why is it easy? Why is it hard? Okay. So let's quickly write, and then I will get some verbal responses. Don't worry about your handwriting. Okay. And I'll give you a couple minutes to think about it. Okay. So I am going to start getting some verbal responses. I'll start with Arthur. Are you ready to talk?
Yes.
What is your easiest subject?
My easiest subject is English
Okay.
because in here we learn English at here.
You learn English here, yes?
And in the school I am more easier when I
Yes?
study English at here and
Mm-hmm.
I study in school, so the English is the most easier.
That's good. What is your hardest?
My hardest is science.
Okay. Why?
The science is very need to think many things, so it is difficult.
Okay. Amy, looks like you're ready. Can you tell me your easiest subject?
My easiest subject is Korean
Why?
because we are using Korean and it's easy to talk.
Okay. What's your hardest?
My hardest subject is art
Okay.
because my drawing is not very good.
You're not good at drawing?
Yes.
Me neither. Regina, what's your easiest subject?
My easiest subject is art.
Okay.
Draw and make is fun to me.
Okay. What's your hardest subject?
My hardest subject is social study
Okay.
because especially money class is very hard.
Money class?
Yes.
Okay. I think in English we would call that maybe economics, right?
Economic.
Right. Economics class, that you find that hard, but you find art easy. Okay. I'll just go in the circle. Angela, what's your easiest subject?
My easiest subject is music
Why?
because some of my classmates
Yes.
have loud voice, so I can sing with voice.
Okay, so you're hiding your voice with your. Okay. Fair enough. What's your hardest subject?
My hardest subject is science
Okay, another vote for science one.
because the experiment is complex and difficult.
Experiments are very complex. Okay. Good usage, good word usage. And Wendy, your easiest?
My easiest subject is music because
Okay.
music is just singing and I like singing.
Are you good at singing? Maybe, but you like it?
Yes.
That's what it's all about. What's your hardest?
My hardest subject is science.
Okay.
Because science is many memories.
You have to memorize a lot of things, right? You have to remember it in your head. Many things to memorize. Good. Then we heard Arthur's. We're going to go to Dylan. What's your easiest subject?
My easier subject is art
Okay. Why?
because drawing and making is funny.
Okay. And what's your hardest?
My hardest subject is math.
Oh, okay. Math.
Math is calculations hard.
Calculations are hard.
Yes.
Right. Again, good vocabulary usage. Okay. And Eric, what is your easiest subject?
My easiest subject is history.
History. Okay. I like history too. Why is it easy for you?
Because history is very fun and so amazing.
Okay. What's your difficult or hardest one? What is your hardest subject?
My hardest subject is art.
Okay.
Because I don't have good drawing.
Okay. So you're not talented at drawing. And Elliot, your easiest subject.
My easiest subject is history.
Okay, another vote for history. Why?
Because it is ancient people's story of our country.
And you're interested in that? Okay. What is your hardest?
My hardest subject is music.
Music. Okay. Why?
Because the notes are so difficult and singing is hard too.
Okay, it's hard to hit the notes. You can't just do a quiet voice like Angela. Okay. Everybody, good answers, thoughtful answers. What can we conclude? We find many different things easy. But what's our hardest subject? It came out at first.
It is science.
Science. So, we find many things easy, but more often than not, science is the hard one. Okay. Now we're going to go to our next part of our discussion, and we're just going to talk about it. Think about a class a subject that you don't have a class now, but you want to learn, something you want to learn. I will just go in a circle and ask for a response. I'll say, Amy, what's something you want to study?
I want to dance.
Dancing?
Yes.
Why?
Because I like to dance and it's have many moves.
Okay, you like to learn different types of dance?
Yes.
That's good. And Regina,
Yes.
what do you want to study?
I want to study ski.
Skiing?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wonder how that would be in a school. But why skiing? Interesting.
Because I like winter sports.
Okay. It's a very specific answer, but thoughtful. Angela,
Yeah.
what do you want to study?
I want to study Japanese.
Japanese language. Okay. Why?
Because I want to go Japan.
You want to go to Japan and talk with the people there. Okay. Wendy, what do you want to study?
I want to animal class.
Animal class?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I like animals and animals very cute.
Right? You're most interested in animals? Right? I think in English we might even call that zoology. You learn about all different animals. Good answer. Arthur, what do you want to learn?
I want to learn. I think I like cooking class.
Why?
Because my dream is cook.
You want to be a cook? Very nice. Dylan,
I want to study is German.
German.
Yeah.
German language. Why do you want to study German?
If I go to Germany, I talk to Germany people.
Okay.
So I want to study.
You're very interested in Germany?
Yes.
That's nice. Me too. Eric,
I want to study music
why?
because I like music, but I don't have good singing.
And you're not taking a music class now. Okay. And Elliot, finally.
I want to study British English.
British English, like British pronunciation. Okay, interesting. Why do you want to study British English?
Because I want to watch Fufu games in England, and I think it's very cool.
Okay, so you want to talk like British people? Is
Yes.
that right? Okay. Very interesting answer. But everybody, I think we all did well. And we're finished. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.